Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today is wash day for me. I'm going to be showing y'all my lock care routine, especially for the winter time whenever I want to really moisturize my hair, because earlier this week it was really cold. I'm talking about 19 degrees in Texas. The air was really dry and it even snowed earlier this week. I haven't felt my hair this dry since like 2017 when I was running track and I was outside all the time. Basically, I can feel that my hair feels really different. I'm blaming it on the cold weather. So tonight I'm going to be doing my lock care routine. So I'm going to be shampooing and conditioning. I use the almond and avocado moisturizing conditioner and the shampoo that goes along with it. I typically shampoo all the time and I only condition some of the time, but tonight I'm going to be shampooing and conditioning because I need conditioner. I really have been thinking about doing a hot oil treatment on my hair like I used to do back in my loose natural hair days, but I haven't done it yet because I don't know if I should or not. For anyone that is ahead of me in my lock journey, I'm only like 2 years and a couple of months, and my hair is not completely locked yet. But is it still okay for me to do a hot oil treatment? If I need to, let me know. I'm not really sure. Let me know if there's any other shampoo and condition set that you think that I should try. I'm debating on if I want to braid my hair right now. I'm really tired, honestly. Am I going to braid my hair? Because I have to moisturize it afterwards, and then I'll have to take the braids down, moisturize, and then braid it back. Alright y'all, so disregard everything that I said about braiding my hair because I obviously didn't. The reason why is because I knew that I was gonna really moisturize my hair afterward. I just felt like it was unnecessary for me to braid it twice. So I didn't braid it this time, but I am gonna definitely start doing that. Alright, so I'm gonna tell y'all what I did while I was in the shower. Basically I just shampooed like normal and I conditioned, but this time whenever I conditioned, I left it in for about 10 minutes. I just put it in and let it sit. Most days I don't let it sit like that, but tonight I did. For those asking what my hair looks like while it's wet, it looks the exact same as when it's dry, to be honest. Let me see if I can get it to focus more. But yeah, it looks the same. At least in my opinion, it does. The first thing that I want to do is find a black shirt, and I'm gonna like wring out most of the water out of my hair because I don't want it to be soaking wet while I go to sleep. I didn't do anything to it. I just like literally got out the shower. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. If y'all didn't know, the reason why I like to use black shirts and just black clothing period is because I have a smaller chance of having a lot of lint that's built up in my hair, especially like a crazy color like blue or green or something. So using black is pretty much safe. And I'm not trying to get my hair all the way dry or anything. I still want my hair to be damp while I moisturize it, so this is kind of good right here. I ran all out of my Candy Sweets Beauty stuff. I think, at least the oil. I think I might have a couple of the sprays left. Let me check real fast. Okay, never mind, I don't. I have none of the Candy Sweets Beauty products, period. So I'm gonna have to improvise. Normally I would use like her entire moisturizing set. I'm just gonna improvise. I'm gonna be using my two favorite oils. This one is coconut oil. It is the weightless oil that I get from Target. They have this one and also argan oil of Morocco. I like both, but I really like the smell of this one, so that's why I'm going to be using this coconut oil. But the main moisturizer of the night is going to be jojoba oil. I use jojoba oil for pretty much everything, my skin, my hair, everything. So I want to be using this as like my main moisturizer, I guess. And then this one is going to be my side moisturizer. I'm not going to put that much of this in there. I just really love the way that it smells. I'm just going to put a little bit. Having locks is so easy, y'all. This is all you have to do. Like, that's it. Well, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, basically my wash days are just so much easier now that I don't have loose natural hair. Like, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, because having loose natural hair for me was a nightmare. It was a complete disaster. If only y'all knew, I really wish that I had done more hair videos a couple of years ago before I even started my locks, so that you can see the difference. But I already know, if you're a loose natural, you already know what I'm talking about. But if y'all could just see how bad I was struggling back in the day, y'all would be so happy for me right now. Because I'm not even kidding, I used to cry on wash days a few years ago, because it was just so much. It was an entire day, first of all. It took so long to do everything all the time. It hurt really bad. It hurt trying to detangle my hair all the time, and also just trying to figure out, okay, how am I going to style my hair once I do wash it and stuff. It was just a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to finish putting the rest of this jojoba oil throughout my hair. Now that that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and spray some of this coconut oil of Morocco. Not too much, because, not of Morocco, just coconut oil. And I'm going to just spray a little bit. I'm mainly doing this for the smell, because this coconut oil smells divine, I'm telling you. You have to try this. I'll link this down below, but I get it from Target. Alright y'all, so now I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair up, and that's basically going to conclude my winter lock care routine, or like how I basically refresh my locks after I feel like it has been going through a little bit of a dry spell. So that is all for my winter lock care routine. My head looks really big in these little braids, but I'm just gonna let my hair dry in the braids overnight. So that is all for my lock care routine. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.